Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 5, Colorado 0. I'm joined by Mr. Mtungwa.
Mnikeni Mtungwa Shono.
Yeah, ubaba umnikeni. Wakamntungwa.
Nakho sisho mina. Yeah.
Full name.
Yeah, ifika phele ibrand mina.
Sekumele ufake ne-ID number.
I'm not just anybody. I'm Kurenka. Yazi leyo ngwe.
Ngikabi themela. Ngingakazana.
Ngingakazana.
Yeah.
Okay. No, mfana kithi. Lapha egroundini.
Shothemela.
Arena.
Yeah.
These players were performing in the arena.
Yes,
if you can check how Nemthanjela performed today.
Yes.
Even the previous game against TS Galaxy, he performed so well. Today I watched him. He was playing like he was watching Mbata and also watching over the goalkeeper. Ngoba 3 times alibamba ibhola goalkeeper. Balipasa lapha emumva liyekubhodlela liye ngapha emayise efuna ukuphuma ulinika uNemthanjela bese iyaphenduka Nkosi yami. Masindi
Nzwembu.
Mfana negama lamantombazana
Ngimbone ngamhlanje. Yeah, no, dangerous.
Kodwa ngake ngasho yakhumbula ngithi lo mfana negama lamantombazana ivideo yakhona ngasho njalo.
Like
sasikhona la ngithi lo mfana lo ya uNtswembu. Kodwa ke ibhola lakhe liyakhuphuka ngoba awubonanga ukuthi uMakhawula ubengekho. Bese awubonanga.
Angibonanga lutho.
Bakhohlweni abantu ukuthi uMakhawula akekho. Bese sibuye umbatha insimbi. Udlala ibhola elinzima. Ngihlale ngithi abantu abadlala simple football. Yena udlala ibhola elinzima ngoba ukudlala i1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch maningi kunzima ukwenza leyo nto. Kufanele umuntu ohlonga phela umakiwe la. Kodwa mawukwazi ukubamba ibhola ulibambe uliphase ngapha. Leyo nto leyo isho ukuthi unzima kakhulu ngebhola. Apolice ujika la. Ujive ngathi akanamathambo. Hayi, ujive ngathi akanamathambo lempana lo ngikhumbuza imafika izolo. Ngikhumbuza imafika izolo. Ujike ngathi uthi uyalena usejikile. Exactly, no Brandon Silent. Lo mfana lona nenhliziyo akanayo yokuthi efune ukudlala ibhola. Ngithe ngikhuluma nomunye wathi ama-winger ePirates ayayi-confuse i-Golden Arrows. We have time ngikhuluma naye wathi hayi ama-winger ePirates ayayidida i-Arrows ayisazi ukuthi ifanele yenze kanjani. Ifanele ukudideka bayadideka nabaningi. Ngoba iPirates ine left wing back ekuhodo okwazi ukuya phambili. Kuphinde kube no Apolice oyi half winger yena uyabona akangeni kakhulu ufike libambe ngathi esayidini abuya ngene phakathi ehambisa ibhola esayidini seliyamthola uHot usekhona mawuthi uyangaka right mawuthi kanti kunomremi ngapha ngaka left no Hot mawuthi uyangaka right nangu uApolice nangu Sibelebele ngapha usho ukuthi iPirates iwinga ngabantu about 3.5 ngoba uHodo ngoba uApolice uyi-half winger kuyena umuntu wama-cross umuntu odlalayo angene nebhola phakathi. Lokho bekuyididi Arrows uSiyema top class football.
Umnandi.
Bhodlela top class football. Bese Umbuthuma mawungabheka igoli leli likaMfukeng lesibili ngale Mfukeng bengithi uyaphasa lapha Umbuthuma uthatha ama defender uhamba nawo Umfukeng mina ngithi ushayela yena i-through ball ngoba ubhekele kanti usephasela inet
khona yena
ubukhona bukaMbuthuma bubalekile abafani ngqono Mahopa yena sengisho ngesizulu bayithi Mahopa Mahopa khona lokho uMakhopa yena uyawabulldoza ama defender lona usuke khona la 18 akatsuka kule 18 edlale ibhola eliphambili ngale kwalokho ngathi iOrlando Pirates idlale kahle iGolden Arrows isorry abafana bangakithi sorry basuke eThekwini bethi bazodlala la kanti kuzodlalwa bona they were played and they were fooled You couldn't tell that they are coached by Manqoba Mngqithi, yes. But they looked ordinary because this coach planned his game very well. Orlando Pirates were just too much. It's not that all Golden Arrows is a bad team. They are one of a few teams that have beaten Mamelodi Sundowns this season. So you can't beat Mamelodi Sundowns and be mediocre. Be a mediocre team. So, other than that, I still love you guys, but I'm not sure.